What is the difference between a hypothetical imperative and the categorical imperative as articulated by Immanuel Kant? By Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. To comprehend the distinction between a hypothetical imperative and the categorical imperative, it is essential first to delineate the foundational principles underlying each concept as articulated by Immanuel Kant. A hypothetical imperative is contingent upon a specific desire or goal. It posits that if one wishes to achieve a certain end, then one ought to perform a particular action. For instance, the statement, "If you want to pass the exam, you must study," exemplifies a hypothetical imperative, as it is predicated on the condition of wanting to attain a specific outcome. In contrast, the categorical imperative operates independently of any particular desires or outcomes. It asserts that certain actions are morally obligatory, regardless of individual inclinations or consequences. Kant articulates this imperative as a universal moral law that commands individuals to act only according to that maxim which they can, at the same time, will to become a universal law. This notion emphasizes the inherent autonomy of moral agents and the necessity of acting in accordance with principles that can be universally applied. Furthermore, the categorical imperative is characterized by its unconditional nature, which stands in stark opposition to the conditional framework of hypothetical imperatives. While the latter are instrumental and serve as a means to an end, the categorical imperative demands adherence to moral duties that are intrinsically valuable, thus fostering a profound sense of ethical responsibility. Consequently, the distinction between these two types of imperatives is not merely semantic. It encapsulates a fundamental divergence in Kantian ethics regarding the nature of moral obligations and the role of rationality in ethical decision-making.